Hi there! Welcome to our channel, Learning Languages by Listening and Practicing. Let's start.
Dialogue, butterflies, and baked goods. Setting, the school cafeteria, lunchtime. Maya and Sarah are sitting at a table, trays filled with half-eaten food.
Sarah, I'm doomed.
Doomed? What happened this time? Did you trip in front of Liam again?
Not exactly, but just as bad. Remember how I signed up to bake cookies for the bake sale?
The ones you promised would be legendary and win you the most delicious award?
Exactly. Well, guess who accidentally used baking powder instead of baking soda?
Oh no. Pancake cookies instead of fluffy delights?
Don't even say it. I can already imagine Liam's disappointed face when he sees them.
Hold on, slow down. Why does Liam's opinion matter so much?
What? No reason. He's just, in the same grade and...
Maya, you've been blushing and stumbling over your words whenever Liam's around for weeks. Spill the tea.
Okay, fine. I think I have a crush on him.
A crush on Liam? The quiet, book-loving Liam who gets lost in the library for hours?
He has his charms. He's funny in a dry way, and he's always super helpful. Plus, he reads all these cool fantasy books I'm dying to discuss.
Interesting. But back to the cookie catastrophe. Are you really worried he'll judge you based on your baking skills?
Not just that. What if he thinks I'm a total klutz who can't even follow a simple recipe? What if he laughs at me?
Maya, listen to me. First, everyone makes mistakes. Second, Liam doesn't seem like the type to laugh at someone's misfortune. Third, even if the cookies aren't perfect, they're still made with love and effort, and that counts for something.
You think so?
Absolutely. Maybe you can even turn it into a funny story, like the Great Baking Blunder or something. People love a good laugh, and it might even make you seem more relatable to Liam.
You're right. Maybe I'm overthinking it.
Exactly. Now, chin up, Buttercup. We can fix those cookies and maybe even add a little oops. I messed up charm. Who knows? It might even spark a conversation with Liam.
You're the best, Sarah. Thanks for the pep talk and the baking assistance.
Anytime. Now, let's go work some magic on those cookies and see what happens. Remember, confidence is the most delicious ingredient.
Maya and Sarah gather their things, determined to face the bake sale and possibly even a potential conversation with Liam.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow our next videos.